Welcome back, Nail Queens. Today's video is a continuation of the swatch and review that I did on Wednesday of Nail Reserve gel polishes. So today I will be using 2 gel polishes that came in that collection plus 2 more. I'm really excited for this mani design. So what I'm doing here is I'm laying down all the colors I want to do as the nail art on my nail art palette. And I've already used pixie dust on 3 of my nails. They're just solid nails, nothing extra on them, and I have 2 bare nails, my middle finger and my ring finger. They're bare, so that's what I'm going to do the waterfall nail art design on. So these, the white color and this glitter color are from older collections from Nail Reserve back when they were called Nail Addict, which is why my bottles say Nail Addict on them and not Nail Reserve. I know I've been featuring lots of different nail art brushes here on my channel, but these are from the Painted Desert, and not only is the branding and packaging absolutely impeccable, but they have some very thin liner brushes, which is perfect for the nail art I want to do here today. So I have 3 different liner brushes from the Painted Desert, but I'm going to be using 2 of them here today, and I'm going to be using 4 colors, so I make sure to clean the brushes in between switching colors. So what I'm doing is I'm just running the brush through the gel polish and then creating lines going from my free edge about halfway up the middle of my nail. I've done this design before, so this is nothing new to my channel. I did this back in February, doing like a reddish design using Madam Glam gel paints. But I love seeing that you're able to do this with literally liner brushes and gel polish, just regular gel polish. Gel paints are more pigmented and easier to use in like one coat than gel polishes, but these polishes here that I'm using today are extremely pigmented, and I did not have to do multiple coats, which is a major win for me. And I just realized I also did this design in March. Wow, I really like this style of design. I will link both of the designs that I did. I did it on coffin nails and almond nails in February and in March. So I'll link those videos down in the description box if you want to watch those. I really love doing this design. It translates to literally any color you want. Just use a lighter color, a darker color that complements it, a neutral, and a glitter. And that's it. That's all you gotta do. Now back to the focus of the mani. I'm gonna work on the pink color. I've already laid down the hotter pink and the white. And basically what I do is I just draw stripes. I did the hot pink on the outsides, and I'm doing the white in the center, the lighter pink to the right of the white, and then on the left of it, I'm going to introduce a glittery pink. And the point of this is to be imperfect. You don't want the sides to be perfect in length. They're supposed to look like brush strokes and not the same exact length, but also not too high up the nail that it looks like it's consuming your entire nail. It's supposed to be like a very artistic, like French design. I was trying to find pink heart-shaped glitters that were small enough to use on these nails, and this is all I could find that was bright enough that you could actually see it. I have tons of like opalescent pinks, but not something bright enough. So I'm using this glitter mix from Sierra's Nail Glitter World, and I'm putting 2 pink hearts over the white strip. I'm also going to do that to my ring finger, but you'll notice that I kind of switch up where I put certain colors on my ring finger. I didn't want the nails to be absolutely identical. I'm still going to have the hot pink in the same place, but I switch up the white and I think the glitter. I switch up the location of them. I also want to reference the mani that I did for Valentine's Day earlier this year. I want to show you guys where I put like dots and hearts. So you'll notice here I painted on red hearts on the white strips, and then I put dots on the other strips so they contrast. So you'll notice in the mani I'm doing today I didn't put any dots, but literally the sky is the limit. You can do hearts, stars. I saw someone do a 4th of July set using a similar design, but they used stars. and dots. I don't know. There's just so much you can do to make it your own. For St. Patrick's Day, I wanted to do a green set where I put 4-leaf clovers instead of hearts, but I never got around to doing that. Maybe I'll do it next year. And imagine doing like a pumpkin themed one for fall. Oh my God, leaves. Oh, sorry. I just got so excited. Oh my God. Hopefully that doesn't like turn too loud when you guys. Oh my God, leaves. Oh my God, I know exactly what I want to do. I'm so excited. I need to practice this. Oh my God, I'm going to do this on a swatch stick. Okay, sorry. Like when I have an idea, I'm like, hopefully I can execute it the way I'm thinking. I'm just like, I love fall. Fall is the best. If I got to pick any season, fall is my favorite. I wish I was a fall baby. I am a spring baby who was born in June, so it's hot as shit. It's so hot. I hate summer. Nobody wants to sweat all the time. Anyways, all right, I'm done. Here's the final look of the final mani. I top coated everything. You guys can paint on the hearts or use glitter shapes or do no hearts at all. I hope you guys like this mani video. Leave a comment below if you guys would try this out or what color combo you'd like to see this done with in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.